In December 2004, a bright Kuiper Belt object called 2003 EL61 was discovered during the course of an ongoing survey for distant solar system objects. The object was initially observed with a 160 megapixel Quest camera on the Samuel Ocean Schmidt telescope. It is 51 AU from the Sun. 2003 EL61 is a member of the Kuiper Belt, with a semi-major axis of 43.3 AU, eccentricity of 0.19, and an inclination of 28.2. Based on optical observations, it has been determined that the mass of 2003 EL61 is 4.21 times 10 to the 21st kilograms. This is 32% of the mass of Pluto. There is a small satellite orbiting 2003 EL61, but its mass is considered negligible. Results from infrared reflectance spectra data help to characterize the composition and structure of the surface. It is indicated that the surface composition is similar to that of Pluto, dominated by methane and ice. However, wavelength differences indicate that the methane ice on 2003 EL61 is more evenly distributed over its surface than that of Pluto. The surface of 2003 EL61 likely consists of dark carbonaceous material mixed with ices. If the darker material is covered by ice, then 2003 EL61 would have a high albedo. Since this body is relatively large, the shape it takes is largely determined by self-gravity and centripetal forces. Due to the high gravitational pressure, the body will deform like a viscous fluid and relax over time to the equilibrium form of a rotating homogeneous body. The rotational period measured for 2003 EL61 is the shortest measured for any trans-Neptunian object, and for any solar system body larger than 100 kilometers. This high rotation would cause even a solid body of moderate strength to become distorted. So, with a theorized fluid-like response to stresses, 2003 EL61 would likely take the shape of a Jacobi ellipsoid. Some of the telescope data collected was judged to be unusable due to very large errors. Most of these problematic readings were taken during full moon conditions, where there was additional light, or during very poor cloudy conditions. A few observations were also adversely affected by cosmic rays. These observations were not included in the overall results and analysis. Research conducted since the release of this paper indicates that 2003 EL61 has 2 orbiting satellites. Also, the object has been given an official name, Haumea, after a Hawaiian goddess.